What's up guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm reviewing the Milwaukee heavy duty flashlight. Let's get right into the review. Alright, so getting right into the review. On the bottom is a magnet right here. So pretty strong, but you can take it off pretty easily. Then on here you have your power button. Pretty powerful flashlight. Then here you have your mode, so you turn it on. So that just adjusts the stream of light. Alright, then you could tell right here, maybe you could plug the flashlight in, USB port right here.